Hello traders, I'm going to do a quick demonstration of the new Smart Trade Entry Assist indicator. As we do this, keep in mind, there we go. Pause the video, give this a read. Futures trading is not appropriate for all investors and all that. I'm sure we've all seen it. Leave it there for a second. Please pause and acknowledge. Okay, let's get on with it. So, the Smart Trade Entry Assist is an add-on that works in conjunction with the chart trader. Its functionality is to get you in on bar closes or specify different points. So I'm just going to go through each of these settings really quick, and there's going to be a series of videos where we will dive into each one a little more deeply. Basically, we have reference prices here: current close, previous bar close, or the last price. It will submit the order based on the offset that we put here. You can make it a positive offset or a negative offset. Now those are not absolute values, those are relative to the direction that you are going. So in the case of a buy, if it's a positive value, it's going to put it up here. In the case of a sell, it's going to put it down here. So okay, so now that I have that there, if I click this, it will go back to 0, like so. So if I wanted to buy the close of this bar, I have to select an ATM. What ATM do I want? I don't know what we're even on here. I got an NQ plan. Let's see what that does. So, this bar closes up. It is going to enter. It's going to enter 3 right there. If it closes down, the way I currently have it set, it is going to cancel this order. This is 7 a.m. on a Thursday. Well, looks like we might get in here. Yeah, there we go. So that was filled. We don't have a whole lot as far as management. This increase, decrease, that will move your entry order. If we want to just get out of this quickly, we still have the chart trader buttons up here. You optionally can hide these if you want. The close functionality is duplicated here, so you don't really need that row, in my opinion. But that's completely up to you. It's customizable. So if I hit close here, this will get out of that trade. Now, let's say we want to buy it again. This looks like this is going to close down. That bar closed down and it did not cancel, and the reason is I have cancel on close away is unchecked. Had this been checked, it would have canceled this order. So to demonstrate that, I will now check that. Okay, that order is already in, so it's not going to do anything with this. This is from another strategy I got running. I don't need to see that. Alright, so I'm going to cancel this order. And let's say, I don't know which way it's going to go. I think it's going to keep going down. So, this bar is going to close here. It is analyzing the bar type and determining what the increment is. So it has determined that for this Smart Rinko 816, that it is going to close right there, and it is correct. Now I can also increase and decrease this. Take it all the way down to price if I really want to get in there. You still have the functionality. You can grab it and move it, just like any chart trader order. Now I have that if it closes away option checked. So if I were to, no, that wouldn't work in this case. I was going to say is if you have it set up so that your order is outside the bar, then you also have to have your cancel setting longer. We will get into those details another time. But okay, So there we go. We got in there. It did not demonstrate what I was going for, so I'm going to cancel this. Okay. Just some different functionality. Okay, so that is the current close. If I click this, it toggles to prior close. If I click this, it goes back and forth. So if I want to do right now, so if I place a buy or sell, it's going to actually put it right here at the close of that prior bar. Like so. Now if this one closes up, it should cancel that order. There we go. So the bar closed away from my entry, so it canceled. So based on prior close, so if I want to buy, but I want to buy above. So now this is going to place it 5 ticks above the prior close. Like so. And we're in. Alright. What else? Cancel that. We can also base it on last. Now, obviously, if I have last in 0, what's that going to do? It's going to submit it right at last. So in the case of a buy, when you have last selected, it's not, that is where the last trade was, and it traded up. So it did not get filled. All right, let me cancel that. One other thing we can do also is we can, if I have it set, let's look at the settings. Allow for OCO bracket orders. There we go. So let's set this to 5, 6. You know, let me go like 10. Make sure it doesn't go up there and get. So I could say sell. So it's going to be based on, you know, we'll base it on prior close. All right, there we go. So it's going to be based on this. So if I say sell, it puts an order here. You can move that down. And then I can say buy, and it puts it up there. So now I have the market bracketed here. And if these are OCO orders, so if it gets filled going up, it's going to cancel the sell and vice versa. Now if I increase, decrease, it moves both of them together also, which is kind of interesting. But you can move them individually if you need to by clicking and dragging. And then they still move together. So that could be useful at times if you're in a range area. Again, works in conjunction if it closes away. So we had buy and sell orders there. So since it closed down, it canceled the buy order, which since it's OCO, canceled them both. Okay, that is just a quick one. We will go into more detail and actually try to stock some setups in later videos. That's all for now.